Today I'm going to show you how to run a scan for over-the-air channels on this older model Toshiba television. Now this TV is about 10 years old but is still in perfect working condition, and in fact I picked up two of these at my local thrift store for only $15 each, and I happen to have a couple of original remote controls from two newer Toshiba televisions that only lasted about 3 years. So these are older but much better built. And there's lots of these around still. People probably have them as secondary TVs in bedrooms, offices, and you can still use them to get free over-the-air channels with a TV antenna. So I'm going to show you how to run a channel scan on these today. Anybody who is new to receiving TV channels with an over-the-air antenna may not realize that digital channels have to be scanned into the television. It's not like the days of analog TV where you just plug in your rabbit ears and channels appear. Digital channels have to be scanned into the television before you can watch them. First, make sure that your TV antenna is pointed in the direction of your local broadcast towers. Then make sure that the coaxial cable from your antenna is plugged into the RF connector on the back of your TV. Usually this is labeled antenna cable. With the TV on, press the input button on the remote control and this menu will come up. Use the arrows to scroll up to antenna cable. That is where the antenna channels will appear once they're scanned into the TV. Now press the OK button and your screen will probably look like this. Now you're ready to go into the menu and start the channel scan. The first step is to press the menu button on the remote control, and in this Setup tab, press Installation. And then here in the Terrestrial tab, you want to push Input Configuration. And now here you have to select Antenna. So use the arrow keys to move to Antenna because that is the source we're going to use to scan our channels in through our TV antenna. Now once you've selected Antenna, go down to Done and press OK. And now this menu will pop up here in Terrestrial. Go to Channel Program and press OK. And now press the Start button and the channel scan begins. Now in my area, I only get 3 channels over the air, but you'll probably get a lot more. And once your channel scan finishes, you can watch TV.